And guess what? I am getting a blank. You guys? Oh, yeah. I hope you guys can. It's going to be a blast. I'm going to be so excited. So, I'll give you a hint. It has a collar. It has a house. It has a big water bottle. Bowl. And it's a basket for when the blank has birth. And so here's the story. My neighbor's dog is giving birth. And so they're gonna let me and them share one, and then they're gonna sell the rest for $2,000, okay? So this is what it looks like. I got it a home sweet home. I got it a basket to put them in when they give birth, and then I got a little collar for the one that I'm taking care of. Then I got flowers to throw when it gave birth, and then I got a water bowl, and I'm gonna buy more soon. And I have flowers right here. I'm gonna put a bag of them, but I just put them in there so they're comfortable. Okay, here's the collar. It feels so nice and it looks so pretty. Hope you guys like it. See ya, yos!